We'll guide you through how to remix projects on Replit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Replit's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to your account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Now, locate the project you want to remix. You can do this by browsing through the community projects or by searching for a specific one using the search bar at the top. Once you've found the project, click on its title to open it. On the project's page, you'll see a button labeled Fork or Remix at the top right corner, depending on the interface update. Click on that button. This action will create a copy of the project in your own Replit account. You'll be redirected to your newly created remix, where you can start editing and customizing it to fit your needs. You can experiment with the code, add new features, or make any changes you wish. Remember, remixing is a great way to learn and build upon existing work, so don't hesitate to explore the code and see how it all works. If you want to share your remix or collaborate with others, you can click on the Invite button to share it with friends or colleagues. That's it. You've successfully remixed a project on Replit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.